to Vietnam with me? Panganay Edition. This is the first part of our Sapa Vietnam travel vlog. Let's explore Fancy Pan.
Hi. So, hello. Late na kami ngayon sa gate namin. Very hardworking. Anong gagawin? Hi, May. So, how was
lapit
your
naman.
sleep? Hindi yan. Sakto yan.
That's not sleep.
It's not sleep. Wala pa kaming sleep, guys. So, we waited 6 hours for this moment. Finally.
Talaga?
Moment daw kasi. Moment na mata na sa sleeper bus. Ayan na si Ben. Alright. Alis na kami. We are gonna go na 2-hour sleeper bus para bumiyahe pa sa Sapa. Let's go! HK bus line. Leaving time. Let's go.
Yeah, and so this is how it looks like inside the capsule. That's how I wanna call it. So, ang dami niya naman features and sobrang comfy talaga nito. And look, meron pang curtains para sa privacy. So yeah, let's get some sleep. Bye! Just so you know guys, 12 hours ata kaming naghintay to really have some good sleep. So if you're planning to go to Sapa, just book HK bus line sa Klook. That's where we booked our trip. And it's so comfy. Sobrang nakatulog ako nito. 6 hours yung biyahe namin, and what's good about it, may drop-off sila, and then from the drop-off, may maghahatid pa sa'yo papunta dun sa hotel ninyo. Here, binaba na kami sa aming hotel, sa Freesia Hotel. This is where we booked our stay here in Sapa. We'll be staying here for 4 days. So here is our hotel room. Kita nyo naman, sobrang ganda ng view. Sobrang breathtaking. Talaga namang gugustuhin mong gumising ng maaga para lang makita yung ganda ng Sapa. So my friend May, she booked this room for us, and we're so glad this is what we got. So ayan, we got our things settled, and it's time to go outside to have some fun. Actually, it's my first time trying authentic pho, and I'm really curious kung magugustuhan ko ba siya or hindi. So, let's go and see.
Tikman muna natin ako.
So, base naman sa reaction ko, nagustuhan ko naman siya. Yes, ganyan yung itsura ko kapag nagugustuhan ko yung kinakain ko. Akala mo naman talagang galit. I just don't like the cilantro na nilalagay. But other than that, I know I can eat it again and again. Sobrang sarap. Malasa siya. And sobrang perfect niya sa weather.
May tatalo pa ko sa Vietnam. Ay, mali. Hello, good evening guys. We're going to the Sapa City Center to have dinner. Lakad muna tayo papunta sa city. Di ko pa alam, di ko sure kung saan kami kakain, pero doon na lang kami titingin, no? So, ito, dito sa left ko, makita natin yung lake. Ayan. Pailaw-ilaw siya dyan. Machi-machi kami ng ilaw.
So, this is our first official night in Sapa. Kita nyo naman, sobrang liwanag ng city center nila. Ang daming shops where you can eat, where you can have some coffee, have some noodles. Actually, ang dami pang pwedeng i-explore. To tell you guys, sobrang mura ng mga food nila. Ang mura din ng coffees nila. Pagkadating namin nung hapon sa Sapa, after we got the pho, we tried exploring the city center, and to our surprise, karamihan sa mga stores nila closed ng umaga to hapon, mga 3 p.m.-ish, ganun. So, talagang mas buhay yung city center nila at night, and I think they close up late, mga 12 midnight. So, ito, lakad lang kami papunta sa kakainan namin na nakita namin sa TikTok. Here it is, Le Petit Gecko. So, yun, gaya na sabi ko kanina, we just saw this on TikTok. Okay na din. Konti lang yung tao, so gumaw na rin kami. And hindi naman din kami na-disappoint kasi maganda rin yung nakuha naming spot to chill and have some good dinner.
Gusto mong 0.5? Hindi. Kung para lang, pwede kang mag-zoom.
Wait lang, may mag-zoom.
Ay, sorry. Grabe naman. Attitude. Attitude ng friend ko.
Diyan mo kung pasado na yung angles.
Ano yan? Ayan, ang nice.
Isa pa.
Yes, pizza and fries for dinner. Surprisingly, ito yung in-order namin. Nag-crave lang talaga kami sa pizza. But guys, I would rate this 9 out of 10. Siyempre, after dinner, hindi natin papalagpasin ang pagkakataon na matry ang coffees nila dito sa Vietnam. So, me and them got the Vietnamese latte. If I'm not mistaken, I think yun yung in-order namin. And si May, she got the coconut coffee. And you guys, ang mura ng coffee nila dito. Di talaga sila nagkamali. Yung mga napapanood kong vlog, sobrang natatakam ako pag pinapanood ko lang yung mga vlogs ng ibang mga vlogger. And ngayon na na-try ko siya, I tell you guys, it's so delicious. Hindi kami nag-palpitate masyado ng friends ko. Although, in-expect namin na parang possible yun kasi medyo kapal yung consistency ng coffee nila. Compare sa coffees natin sa Pinas, medyo mas matubig, ganyan. Pero yung coffees nila dito, medyo thick yung consistency. And I think that's why it's unique and it's delicious. I really like it. Nag-enjoy talaga ako. And for those who are coffee lovers, kung pupunta kayo sa Vietnam, talaga may enjoy nyo yung trip.
The trauma.
Unang ladok. sa isang araw ang tulog.
Very, very recommended para sa mga night shift out there. Chanel, if you hear me, comment down below. Hi, Bam! Hello! Just the view. I love the view.
Kabado ako sa
So now we are going to ride the funicular, yes, to go see the mountains. Kaya ba?
Okay lang, pwede naman to.
Thank you so much to my background music right here.
So guys, there are two ways to reach the Mount of Fansipan, or also known as the Roof of Indochina, and that is by trekking or by riding a cable car. And as for me and my friends, of course, we chose to ride the cable car. Pero bago mo maabot or ma-reach yung cable car station, ito matadaanan mo muna yung magandang part. Meron dyan parang may maze pa nga ata dyan. Hindi na namin yan masyado na-explore nila May and them because we really wanted to reach the Roof of Indochina kasi sinusulit namin yung magandang weather because prior to this day, medyo umaambon-ambon. And as you can see, sobrang favor from the Lord because He allowed us to experience this with the good weather. Dito pa lang sa baba, ang ganda ng weather. Medyo mainit nga actually eh. So, me and my friends just took the time to have some photo shoot as well. As you can see, nagaganda-gandahan lang siya.
I-extend mo yung leg mo.
How's it going, Bam? How's it going, birthday girl?
So fun.
Wow, look.
Parang ang ganda lang dito. Ano naman sa gitna? Picture ang ganda naman.
Được biết đến là một trong những chủ nhân đầu tiên của nước Việt và là dân tộc thiểu số có số lượng dân cư đông nhất tại Việt Nam. Đồng bào người Tày thuộc một trong năm dân dây xả tích ở phần eo và kiểm cổ lớn bằng bạc. Qua hàng ngàn năm gắn bó
Dito pa oh, yung para na yan. So right now we're here at the Huang Lian station. We're gonna ride the cable car. We're gonna go to the peak of the mountain here at Fansipan.
Jacket, oh my gosh.
Ayun na. Panik na. Uy ah. Ayan, ang titigas ng ulo. Sinabi ng
jacket.
No, I live for this weather eh. The cold never bothered me anyway. So this is the view here in Fancy Pan. Actually, oh my gosh, the cold never bothered me anyway.
Kailan kaya natin mapapanindigan to?
Ito tayo sa... Come. Ayan, matatapang ang mga tao. Ay! Ayos, ano ba yan yung palda ko?
Sigurado ba siya lang di pa winter?
Come walk with me. Hello! We survived at least naman. Nakasurvive tayo without the jacket. Ay, wala pa.
Wala pa din, summit.
Sinama. Sasakay na kami sa monorail. Papunta sa peak. Ito na talaga. As of now, yung weather is very gloomy, very foggy. Di naman siya super ganun kalamig. Di pa naman ako nangangatog sa lamig. Kaya tingin ko kaya. Malaman na lang kung magkakasakit ulit ako mamaya.
Tao kìa đấy. Lên tàu này luôn à? Ta đi xuống.
Mahirap siya, guys. Parang sardinas na kami dito, guys.
Hawa ka.
So, bakit kasi siya, guys? So, parang nalalaglag na kami. Hi! So right now, andito na kami sa Fancy Pan Peak. Andito muna kami sa may cafe because hiningal na kami. Napagod na kami. Akala mo naman talaga. So medyo nakakahingal yung akit-akit eh. Kaya we're gonna take a break and have a hot chocolate. Say hi, guys! Ayun na maaraw! Okay, there's the sun. Oh, sorry. Here at the peak.
Masaya na ako.
Yan. Hey, good afternoon. So we just got out of the Fancy Pan place. So ngayon, kain kami ng lunch. We have fried rice with chicken. And we have spring roll, local spring roll na lang. And then we have beef with peppercorn sauce. Wala siyang sauce. Minarinate.
Masarap siya.
So, masarap yung chicken. Yung fried rice with
Yes.
chicken. So, tikman natin and then we'll rate it.
It's so nice. It doesn't need sauce.
Okay, I'm going to taste the fried rice with the chicken. People.
Masarap.
Okay, ang lasa niya. That's good. Ito yung beef. Oh, nashook ako. Ang sarap. Okay, well, try this local spring roll naman. So, base naman sa reaction niya, masarap.
Sorry, nauuna ako. Sarap.
Okay. Okay. It's good. Ang sarap. Ano ba kayo?
Tsaka yung salt nila, Himalayan yun. Yung gamit nila. Like, maalat siya, pero hindi siya parang yung masakit sa lalamunan.
So this is where we're gonna eat for dinner. We wanted to try the pizza here. Treat muna namin yung sarili namin. It's a very nice place.
Spaghetti ba?
So these are the Vietnamese food, but we're not gonna do Vietnamese food today.
May pena din
National steaks. These are their pizza.
What is that little?
Yung pasta, yung kind of pasta.
May burger siya. No, I don't like the burger. The burger I miss and the sandwich pa.
Gusto niya ito para maiba naman.
Ano yan?
Parang oven baked pasta.
Okay, I want.
Sige.
I want.
Just like kamote.
Very chaotic.
Ganon. Sarap.
Nag-Vietnam para sa
This is our food for tonight. I'll show you. So we got the baked beef pasta baked in the oven.